Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing 3 times. We have it, cool. Now we should remove the earbuds, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now we should see it at the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!